Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a waiting list on Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to Shopify website and then go to your store's homepage. Here, locate the Settings option. This is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens for your Shopify store. Once you're there, focus on the Apps and Sales Channels section. Clicking here opens access to all integrations that enhance your store. Next, head to the Shopify App Store by clicking on the appropriate button in that section. Once you're in, use the search bar and type Waiting List. You'll see several app options designed for this purpose, but the one we're particularly interested in is called Restock Alert and Waitlist. Click on it to open its details. This app is designed specifically to handle waitlists for products that are either pending launch or out of stock. Once you've opened the mini app, click the Install button. This will start the installation process, which might take a few moments. After it's installed, you'll need to click Install once more to confirm and fully integrate it into your Shopify environment. Once both steps are complete, you're almost ready to roll with your new waiting list feature. Now, find the app within your installed apps and click Enable. This crucial step activates the app, allowing it to work properly within your store's system. With the app enabled, click on Create a Waitlist Setup. Here's where you'll start structuring everything, from how customers join the waitlist to how they'll be notified when products become available again. And that's it. So that is how you can make a waiting list on Shopify. So that's all for this video. Thanks.